What's in the box? When you order your Trackener kit, your kit will arrive in one of our Trackener boxes like so. So I'm just going to run through everything you get in your kit, what it is and what it's used for. For your exercise and ridden sessions, here you have your girth sleeve. It has both elasticated and Velcro straps to fit any girth, so depending on what shape and size your girth is, you can choose which straps you use. Then if you have the basic Trackener Life kit, you will have an elasticated surcingle to run through the bib. If you have the heart rate kit, you will have a slightly different black surcingle, which is quite distinctive because it has electrodes on the inside and it also has a heart rate sensor there. To learn more about how you need to pop this on your horse for exercising and at rest, please take a look at our Using the Heart Rate Belt video. To accompany either both of those straps, you have an additional fluffy sleeve which can go on the right hand side of the belts, and that's just for additional comfort if your horse is particularly sensitive. You then have your batteries and battery charger. Batteries in the front, and there's a small screen here which will clearly indicate whether or not the batteries are charged. Quite self-explanatory. If you have any problems, let us know, but you do need to charge your batteries for a good 12 hours before using the device, like you would with a phone. And then finally, you will have your bib. The bib has two fluffy parts on it, one at the withers and one for the chest for added comfort. Just behind the wither slot, you've got a small hole which your heart rate belt or surcingle will thread through. Take a look at putting it on the horse to confirm putting it on if you're unsure. And then in either the pouch of the bib or the girth sleeve, you will find your device. Now, the device will be separate to the lid. This is intentional because without the batteries in, the lid can be very difficult to fasten and unfasten. So much so that we recommend, if you're not using it on the horse, you also store your device like this just to make it easier to open. If you have any questions which I haven't covered in the video, please do contact us via email or web chat and we'll be happy to help.